What do we got going on here? Party's here.
Hey,
what's going on?
Come on in.
What's going on in here?
Where'd you go?
Not much. Look at that. I already got the motor out. Day late, $1 short.
Nah, you came at just the right time, buddy.
Right? Like a blister. Always up late. Showing up late.
That's how I try to do it. But
Measure that. See what.
well, he needs to come down from it. I don't think a guy ever takes off that back motor plate, do you?
Oh, too much.
Yeah, a little too much.
Too much.
Bumper straight in.
Go back
here,
the other
Bob.
way?
I don't have much room on this side.
Gotta come this way a little.
A little more. Looks like.
I think it'll go,
Okay.
but the wheel's
Forward.
fucked up again.
Well, we're gonna have to slow down. We're gonna have to slow down progress. Yeah, it's going at an angle. It's just
Yeah.
those casters. Ho!
Come on in.
You look like you're clear now, Caleb.
Yeah.
All right. What's about Hope?
Come on down a little bit.
Say please.
Hold on a second. Is this? Come look at this for me and tell me what I need to do. Is this supposed to fit inside here?
Yeah, you got to.
It's got to go. It has to.
This has got to go between the frame rails.
I don't know if it's gonna fit.
Yeah, we measure it. It just cleared.
Really? Okay.
I had that plate in there.
You did. Okay.
Between the frame rails.
I'll be quiet. It looks tight.
Once it blows in, it'll stay, I guess. Yeah, it'll be just like the Falcon. It won't come out of the car. You cleared?
Okay, hold that.
You gotta come this way a little.
Yeah, right about there.
I got about an inch.
Okay, come on down. Fuck, she's got to go down a long ways. Come on down. This is not anything what I thought it was gonna be.
Clear the frame?
I'm in.
Looks like a model car with a Frankenstein engine in it. Like you just put one together out of random parts and stuff.
It does not have much side-to-side room, does it?
It'll be harder to get plugged out.
No, it won't, because there won't be no front end on it.
Okay, we got a oil pan clearance issue. Oh, we gotta come back a long
Well, we got a long ways to come back, is all.
But we really don't. Well, we do.
I bet we do.
Ed's gotta level up.
Okay, hold that. Let's get these plug wires. I'd like to take this off here so we could just get them up out of the way.
What size is that? Is that half?
9/16.
Yeah.
That's a tune-up to me. Tune-up can mean a lot of things.
I need that again. Got another one here on the side. I don't know if I get it.
Ho, stop.
You ain't gonna get the transmission in it there.
No. It says El Dyno, and they'll show you dyno sheet 1400 horsepower.
On the juice?
Yes.
Well, this is gonna have to be changed anyway, so.
I can't get my fingers in there. That's the hell of it.
You got it left right here. Get some gloves, Caleb. That's gonna be sharp. Get the little turn jack.
It's the wrong hole. The engine's got to come up.
Yeah, we gotta lift the engine up a little bit.
I got you. Go up with it.
A little bit, buddy.
We got it. Here's this one. Okay.
Right about there.
Okay. This is my guide pin here.
Hold on. This goddamn. Come up on the engine. Engine's got to come.
Where to go?
Oh,
More?
yeah, I'm looking at the wrong shit. Come on up.
Like an inch or so.
Try that.
Nope. It's a little water more.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we got the starter started in there. Just look that out.
Up.
Yeah. Hold that.
Come on.
I got bolt lines up. My bolts are lined up right now.
Mine aren't. Well, the jack will push the plate back on. I keep trying, but it keeps knocking it off on the bottom down there.
Put a
That's
couple.
twist. That's straight. Now, next one down.
Just put it in the top where it's easy.
Come on.
Grandpa, can you kick that leg?
We're not gonna get it in there like this.
Yeah, we will. How far can I go?
Oh, you're there.
Okay, come on down.
It's got to go that way a little bit more.
Don't even mess with that. We just got to do it in layers.
Did you see it?
Stages.
Oh boy.
She's touchy.
A little bit more, I think.
Easy, kid. Pop, don't move it right now, please. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I come in some?
About a half inch.
No.
What do you mean, no?
Okay, let it down a little.
Coming down.
Okay, come back.
Can you
Coming down as we come down.
I got to kick it a little bit.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Well, we got to have the legs inside the jacks.
Oh, yeah.
A little more.
A little more,
Yeah,
man.
come on.
Grandpa's yelling at me.
Okay,
He does that.
let her down a little bit.
You can't have no feelings around here, man.
I'm out of here.
Okay, hold on.
I can come down more.
Yeah.
About 2 inches from the steering.
I can come down more if you like it.
Yeah, come on, because it'll just rub on the tunnel now. We can come on back and let it do what it's gonna do.
As long as there's no weight on it. Can I come back some, Pop?
Come down more.
I can't come back down much more, Grandpa.
No. Just let it drag on the tunnel.
Well, it ain't beating it up, is it?
No.
No.
It's just fighting on the tension jack.
I can come down
Yeah.
quite a ways now.
I think so.
It'll never come in and out like this again. but
Well, that's
this is the only
fine.
way We're gonna be able to do it. One down some more.
Can't, Grandpa.
Oh.
I'm watching this here.
Oh. You'll hit the steering.
I can come down quite a ways now, guys.
Yep.
We have to grind that thing off too,
Keep
Okay.
coming, or what do we got?
right? No, come on. Oh, hang on.
Everybody's fingers clear? That's what I'm worried about.
I gotta come down.
We can come down. Not a ton, but we can come Well, so we didn't. Yeah.
Yeah, no. Makes sense.
How
Right.
about the headlight?
Your lights and all that.
Yep. Got him.
Huh?